Okay, hello. We check it out today. The new function, the new feature of Coolab. Starting here at the Coolab. So we see the main entrance seat where we can switch about the projects, and I start one of my projects. And this project I was creating for that session here. So I create, here you can see that I create that spout. So we put in it here. And here is the time player. This is all my stuff at here, and it works. And now I have this one thing, and I can go to Resolume, and now we wait just a moment for the starting up. And I prepared that before, so I can show you here by the searches. Here right now you can see it that it works. I give them a special name. We go back to the spout, and you can see here in the spout the name of it right here where the mouse is. You can see here I give them this name that I can in the end finding where I got my spout in. But you can just drag that here, and what I have done is I update the thumbnail. I go to left, right click, and then thumbnail switching update, and you see they comes like where we are in the flow, in the time flow. But now I cut that because I prepared everything, so you can see it here. And I do something like backgrounds. I do something backgrounds of Arena self. You can see this is the landscape, and I do some easy effects on this landscape, like pendscape and blur. And you can use that by the background. And not the background, what I have done is this one is also the landscape, but with different effects. It's the cube tiles from Arena, the Arena effect where I use there. And I do, when we go back to this landscape background, what is in the last, second last layer here, I have in the layer up of that another one thing, the metables is also search from Arena, a generator from Arena self. And you can see that in the background here I can put out the Coolab things. Now it's just Arena things what you can see, and I go back to this thing of the Coolab what we can send to Coolab. But we can, it's very funny and very exciting that we can start more instances of Coolab. Now you can see I starting this bennoH 01 project. And also here I put in a spout quite direct, and I activated that. And I prepare also this in Arena before, and you can find it here, that thing. So we have that background, and every two things came now from Arena, from Coolab, but the thing is that I have done some effects for that. Here I switch from that without of the effects. You can see here is a blank, is no effects that I have in this Diabolulu Coolab thing, and now I go to that one with the effect. So we can see first I build a mask, but we don't need it, the mask, so I put it off because the mask is generated by Coolab itself. And when we look at that, you can see it's colorized, but I put in back the opacity of the colorized, and I used not this this palette, I used the color. You can switch to the palette, but I used the color itself. And then I use U rotate, and I shift a little bit, a very little bit the U. Oh no, I don't do that. So we can see here now. Now what I have done, yes, now I see what I have done. I have lift up to 0.75% the saturation of that. So I show you in full screen, and the full screen is like that. So you can see this background of Coolab. What do you find it here? I switch it off, so I switch it on. This background is also a little bit transparent, and now you can see it comes here, the background of what I built by the Arena landscape with a bit of effects of Arena. A generator, a landscape generator of Arena. You can find it in the search. That and now I switch it on again, that thing, and so in full screen you can see very good that this Coolab background have also a little bit of transparency, so we can see a little bit of the effect. So I want to show you for first that thing of Coolab, what it runs now here. Oh, fuck you. Here we are, and you can see that our transparency is mixed in. And the cool thing of Coolab is that everything is 3D. That is absolutely missing in Arena totally. So you got now 3D completely, a really 3D, real working 3D system where you can generate 3D elements like that. It's like in Blender or something like that. You don't can modeling these elements like in Blender so deep, the impact of your model tools, but you can very good modeling things when you look at that the 3D shapes. But I don't do this by 3D shapes. I do that by 2D shapes, and